Back for some more Beaujolais. We're going to Saint Amour. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I'm your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And we're doing a little more Grand Cru Beaujolais, this time from the Saint Amour Cru. This is 2020 Saint Amour La Pierre. So Saint Amour is one of the most, or northernmost, crus in Beaujolais. What I found interesting about this bottle is it says red Burgundy wine since 1820, family domain. And, you know, there are some arguments, or not arguments, but, you know, if you talk to people in Burgundy, I'm guessing that they, you know, they might not consider Beaujolais part of Burgundy. You know, there's a whole history to that where the Gamay grape, of which this is 100% Gamay, was outlawed by a king way back when, and that's why all of you know, Beaujolais was split off from Burgundy, and you know, Gamay wasn't to be part of the Burgundy wine making, and that's why Pinot Noir is all you find in Burgundy, even though Beaujolais is in Burgundy. So these guys are right. Saint Amour, as I said, one of the northernmost. Julie and I think is more or less parallel. And the wines, depending on what you get, right? Most of them are on the lighter side, very floral and delicious. Some of them can be darker with some spicier notes and can age. I have no idea what this one will be. We're going to find out. And, you know, again, Gamay, it's going to be light and fruity, floral, spicy, hopefully. Fairly fruity. This one has a little sharp spice in it, like cinnamonish. You know, it's a little baking spice related. So it does have some of those Dr. Pepper notes. I'm not getting necessarily a cola type of note mixed with the spice, so that's why I'm kind of saying it's sort of more spice than real, you know, cola and Dr. Pepper, but you kind of see where I'm going with that. The fruits are a little on the, not quite on the dark side in terms of blackberry, you know, not going to the blackberries, black cherries type of realm, but they are not like fresh red cherries. They're almost like cherries that have been dried slightly. So it kind of has a nice Twizzler type of palate. So the cherries get a little sugary, or maybe not sugary, but they're sweet. This one this actually finishes a little bitter, which is surprising. So I did just open this like, you know, 15 minutes ago. I might see what it tastes like on day 2 and just put some notes down below to see if it loosened up, because normally these Beaujolais wines, the fruit and the flowers, the perfumey nature flows right through on the palate, and there's rarely, at least for me, rarely any sort of bitter notes. So this bitter note at the end is throwing me a little bit. As I'm reading the back here, let me just all right, let's rephrase exactly what this wine is. I said Saint Amour La Pierre 2020, and it is, La Pierre is a vineyard within Saint Amour, but this is the 2020 Domaine d'Épine. So just wanted to correct myself as I was sitting here looking at the back of the label. I was like, I don't know that I nailed that on the first go around. Yeah, not loving how this is finishing. So I'll see if this does better in 24 hours. If this review holds, I wouldn't buy this one again. But you still should be drinking a lot of Grand Cru Beaujolais. I'll see you soon. Cheers.